OnlyWoodFloors, specializing in perfection since 1984. 714-315-6285.
Brian Adams here. Brian Adams, OnlyWoodFloors, OnlyWoodFloors.net, specializing in perfection since 1984. If it's wood you walk on, we do it. Hey, today we're going to talk about how to blend everything in. This is the most important part of your sanding procedure. The machine is called a buffer. We call it screening. We call it screening because this is our screening disc. It literally is the same type of screen that you'd have on your window, but as a sander. Again, you can get this, man, super, super fine. It's going to make the floor like glass. But what it really does is, we had that small machine, the edger, the big machine that got 90% of the floor. The edger got the last 6 to 8 inches. This is going to tie everything in. This machine here is probably about 70 pounds. But underneath it, in between, we apply the screen. This is a nice 1.25 inch thick foam pad, which means it allows me to put more pressure when I need to sand more, or less pressure when I really want to just lightly sand it. And all I'm doing, and again, you can rent a machine like this from Home Depot, but you want to make sure it has that vacuum attachment. You want to keep your dust down. You got to have your belt around the bottom that keeps the dust sucked in. And you really just, you're going to be tying in where the two types of machine met. You're going to go over the floor, look for any imperfections that the big sander left, and then you're going to polish it all out, get it as smooth as you can.
OnlyWoodFloors. If it's wood you walk on, we do it. 714-315-6285.